What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we got my buddy Kyle and we are running the slash on the 3S LiPo 5500 milliamp, and it's on the charger right now. And then we got Kyle's 1/16 Erevo on that charger charging right now, and then the cars are outside. Here's the slash. It's already dirty. There's Kyle's brother slash. It's a brushed version. He has his body on it. And then here is the VXL 1/16 Erevo. We got the slash ready, and Kyle is getting the 1/16 Erevo ready. And let me show you guys the track real fast. So this is the track. It's for right now. It's a circle track. So this is a tabletop right here. Is the other side. So there's a berm over there. It goes around. There's a roller right there. There's a tabletop right here. And then you go down this sort of straightaway. And then there's a turn over. And then you turn around over here. And then what we just built right here is we just built like this little lip. Because this used to be more flat and it was kind of hard to get up. But we just built this little lip so it'll jump higher. But we're gonna take the Bobcat over there and we're gonna take this whole thing and move it up closer to the turn. And we're gonna make it a step up. And then there's gonna be like a roller right there. guys so much for watching. Stay tuned to see more videos of us bashing the Slash, upgrades and stuff like that, and to see more videos of us just hanging out with more Traxxas RC cars and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.